Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have the Coffin bean and it comes with Miss Clawdeen Wolf. These ones are not included, so Frankie and Laguna aren't included. So it just comes with her and the playset. Back here it says a creepy cool house for the ghouls. All the ghouls that hang out. And it says down here that the dolls are not included. Look at the back of the box. Here is the playset, and this is what it comes with. So a sofa, a chair. I'm just gonna call this a desk. It comes with some food, a magazine. Here, the ghouls, and the other ones that are available down here. And here is the side view of the box with little images of Dracula, Laguna, Clawdeen, and you guys can pause and read if you wish. Okay, so I'm gonna open it up. So here is Miss Clawdeen out of the box. The rest of it. Well, guys, I will be right back to set this up, and then we'll continue the review. Okay, guys, we are back. Here we have the playset all stuff, and I'm going to begin with the accessories first, and then we will look at Miss Clawdeen. So over here, we have the counter where the ghouls can come and get their drinks and their food, and I'll show you when it comes with a little cash register that does open. And comes with a little coffee maker or a cappuccino maker, and then it does have shelving, so you can put other stuff under here. And I'll first see what the sign looks like. And also, it does have another background that you can change out of, so you can switch them. So that is the counter, and then it came with a chair, so like someone can sit on the chair or someone can sit on the couch. And it did come with some food. I don't know what this is. Maybe it's a croissant. I don't know. And then it came with a little spider cupcake. Sorry guys, it doesn't want to focus. But a spider cupcake. And it came with a little green beverage. Hopefully it's focusing for you guys. And the other other accessory that she came with is Monster Beat. So a magazine. And here is the couch. It is blue and a flag on it. There also is spiderweb designs all over it. It does open, so you can take this off. Oh, and Clawdeen did come with another beverage. Is a little pink beverage. So just like the other one. Okay guys, now we'll take a look at Miss Clawdeen. Her hair is brown and it is tied up in a ponytail. She does have bangs. She has this gold clip in her hair. She has 2 earrings on each side. Her makeup is purple with pink lips. She has a gold necklace on that has a crescent moon. And her dress is purple with a gold zipper down it. She has a gold belt, a gold bracelet. She does come with an apron. You can take it off, but it is tied on right now. And these are what her shoes look like. They are purple with gold laces. Well, I hope you guys liked today's review. Remember to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. And let me know what you thought of this playset. And also I'll be linking my doll Instagram in the description. Bye!